think it's gonna be one line because they saw Batchat rotating out.
I can go back. Like, I could have went back. Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
one
one
line.
line. Everybody prepare
Gooden,
for
come
one
here.
line.
Gooden, come here. Oh.
Whoa.
Yeah, one line.
He's the 907 still. That's everything, right?
Yes. Track back.
I'm reloading.
This stuff.
Tracked him again! Tracked him again!
I bounced.
Keep tracking Batchat.
Keep him tracked. Somebody get him retrack. Oh,
He's half
no.
health. He shot once at me.
Nice! I'm loaded in 5.
54 to one shot. 54 to one shot.
KT, I need you.
I'm coming.
22 got
KT, I
in.
need you.
Guys, buy time, play time, play time.
KT, in front of me, in front of me, in front of me.
907 strap.
Wait, should me and Burden kill the guy in the hill?
Warband.
Reloading.
Okay, get behind
Nice,
me, get behind
nice,
me.
nice.
I should have shots
Burden, we need to go, I
all
think.
day.
No, wait,
You
no.
loaded?
Yeah, I'm loaded.
Warbander, if you guys can, Warbander.
Loaded in 10. Nah, we're fine.
Ant just lit.
He's
Ant
shooting
just
him.
lit.
Wally, 907 is gonna go for you. You know that?
Yeah, I'm ready for it. I think.
Can you back off in the bushes in here? Just sitting there?
Ant, if Warbander does that again, you can fight just him. You can, reverse him. I think.
I already have
Need to
shots on
move.
him.
I need to come down there with you.
The IS-7's going.
Guys, be ready if 907 comes up
reloading.
from behind me, okay?
Well, one of us needs to stay and protect Ant because they're pushing.
Yeah, I
him.
know, I'm just saying.
There's
Oh,
no.
he's
no, no,
moving,
no.
he's moving, he's moving.
907, okay. I'm pushing up.
Yeah, go with him, Ox. I'll cover it.
Ox, just go like this and go here.
He's gonna find me.
I know, just buy time for Ox to rotate.
I might even be able to kill the Skoda if he sits there. Nice, good shot.
I ain't stay alive, I ain't stay alive.
No,
I'm
the,
not going to.
the 907 is shooting him.
The 907 is
From
gonna-
where? From
He's
where?
on the island.
From,
Oh,
from,
the-
from...
And
Right here, right here, right here,
Wally,
look.
Wally, we can him. Peek, peek, peek. He shot, he shot.
Rip.
Everything's fine. I rotated. They didn't see me rotate. They don't know I'm here.
Nice.
Reloading. Nice.
Wally, can you,
Should
like,
be able to get the
resets?
reset.
Now they spotted me. I see the 907, I'm reloading.
I'm reloading.
There is a 22. Can
20
you reset,
seconds, I'm
guys?
coming up. Wally's got it.
Okay, nice, nice. Good job, guys.
Nice.
Nice.
Almost loaded.
I hurried
Which
up
way
with
is 7
my
looking?
shot. He's
I
looking here. He's looking here. Just keep resetting, farming damage.
22.
and-
30 seconds, 30 seconds.
Wait, he didn't? Oh, yeah, he did.
Nice shot.
Get shreked.
He's facing me now.
Nice bird.
The
Nice.
I-7 has side turret.
Oh, let me drop on him, guys. Let me drop on him. Don't kill him, please.
You won't.
I don't
I
know how
missed,
to
I'm
put an
reloading.
I-7. That was bad. Don't watch that replay.
I'm full HP.